So, hello, and today, welcome to my Nights and Weekends, Season 5, Week 2. And here I'm going to talk about the idea that I had in Week 1 that was uh, building ChatGPT for astronomy. And the essence was that it was a co pilot, it meant to be a co pilot for astrophysicists and astronomers to help them really you give in a data in a fits data format. It's a really yes. So it's to transmit and manipulate scientific images. It's usually for astronomy, and so you see NASA fits. So you're giving the data, many data. You're like, okay, find me a pattern. That was the original idea. It still is, but the problem with that idea is that ChatGPT or any other models require heavy computational power, and that kind of costs money. So what I did instead was really detecting transit models. And what is it? Transit exoplanet detection. So there's two words, exoplanets, and exoplanets are planets outside our solar system. That's it. But usually the planets we can really detect are a type of planet that is orbiting a star for us, like a star like sun, and it's called a transit. So what is a transit? Transit planets. So yes, so it occurs when a planet passes between a star and its observer. So the star is gonna kind of become dark and black here if you look at it. So what does it tell us? So it really explains the molecular explains it kind of explains what is in the atmosphere of the planet, and it's really important. So here you can really detect so many things about the atmosphere, about the ecosystem, and exoplanets are really a primary concern and case of a habitable world. And after that, I kind of took a code of here. It's this code by Kyle A. Pearson, and he has a GitHub repository. I kind of took the code, but the code was kind of 7 years old, 5 years old. So it kind of used Python 3.7. So I had to kind of modernize the code, and that's a really bad idea. Don't do that. Instead, you should downgrade your Python, virtual environments. But you should never do that because new code, better code. I think so. This is the code I had to find because they had so many deprecated uh, APIs. So I had to make exotic. This was called Elsa before for some reason, and they decided to change it. I had to change so many variables, and this is a toy version, but I'm happy. You know, it has an 80% accuracy. If I can find it, if it's not finished, it is finished. But it was kind of a 80% accuracy. Between that, but I think it's good, for a first try, first model. And if you have any criticism, any suggestion, commentary, I don't know, word of encouragement, word of distaste and hatred, I'm happy to hear it. Have a nice time. Have a nice weekend, weekday, day, night, afternoon. I don't know. Bye.